Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I will show you how to install the new Claude Code AI assistant on Windows using the absolute easiest official method. First, let us install the required environment. Right-click your Start menu, select PowerShell, and make sure to run it as an administrator. Type in the command winget install openjs.node.js.lts and press Enter to fetch the latest stable Node environment. Wait a few seconds for the installation to finalize, then paste the command npm install-g at anthropic-ai/claude-code and hit Enter to download the official Claude package. Once the installer finishes, simply type the word Claude into your terminal and press Enter to launch the AI tool. Choose your preferred workspace mode and select the Claude account with subscription option to initiate the login handshake. If your default browser does not automatically authenticate the session, simply copy the token link generated right inside your terminal, paste it into the Chrome window where your Anthropic account is already logged in, and your command line terminal will connect instantly. And that is it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I will see you in the next one.